If you are looking to create Facebook application or Facebook SDK, here's the easy steps to do that. First, you need to search developer.facebook.com. Then click on My Apps. It will be opened if you have a developer account. Elsewhere, you need to create one. You can watch my other video on creating Facebook developer account. The link is in my bio. And once you create it or get into the dashboard, click on create application. As you can see, I'm having one of them already. And here you need to enter your application name that should be matched with your Facebook, your Play Store or App Store name. So I'm putting a random name here, test app 2. Okay, now I'm clicking on next. First, make sure that you have entered the email which is correct and in use, so you can receive application related information on your that email. Clicking on next. Here will be some option that Facebook asks, like purpose of your application, and you can select it according to your need, like if you want to run uh, a- if you want to run ads for your application, you can mark it. And if you are looking to access API of Facebook for your application, you can mark it. And the other option is embedding your website and then launch a game on Facebook. Like if you are looking to launch a game on Facebook, you can mark it as well. And the last option is authenticate Facebook login. So if you enabled it, people can log in or sign up on your application with Facebook, as same as you see on many of the application having Google login or Google sign up option. I'm clicking one or two options randomly. Okay, now next I need to select the business manager in which I'm looking to integrate my application, so I can see the performance of it from that business manager, or manage the event from it, or can advertise it as well. Okay, so I'm clicking one of them and clicking on next. There are some requirements to publish my application, as I choose login with Facebook, so I need to verify my application as well uh, after launching the app, so I can complete the options for it. Then go on dashboard, entering my password for it. It's taking some time to create the application. So the app has been created. As you can see, the application dashboard, where you can manage many of the items for it, add and customize use cases. Like if I'm running looking to run ads, I can select it as well. And also adding custom login button for it. These are the steps that you can perform to fulfill your need. And if you are looking to go on settings to add details of your application and managing some information of it as well, click on setting, then click on basic. Here you can add details about your application, and it requires some details to put on. Then the namespace, logo of it, and the other options. to compliant with GDPR and the else things. And there is advanced option as well, in which there were certain information that you can add for your application. So these are the settings. I will let you know in some other videos. So that was the basic steps to create the application or create the SDK so you can manage your association with Facebook. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope to see you in the